Hi, my name is Cynthia Tom, and I'm a patient of Dr. Ilya's. I'm 58 this year, and I'm from San Francisco, California. And I've been with Dr. Ilya for about a year and a half. And when I first came to him, I was really lucky that I found him on the internet because I was close to being diagnosed as a diabetic. I was very overweight. I was over 200 pounds, and I'm only 5'4", so that was huge. I had chronic allergies, chronic asthma. I'd even been diagnosed with sleep apnea, which means I can't breathe at night. So I was on a sleep apnea machine, a big breathing machine that I just couldn't tolerate, so I didn't know how I was going to get enough sleep. I was on sleeping pills. I was on a chronic antidepressant for 15 years with mood swings. I'm an artist, so I thought it was because I was an artist, but I'm finding out otherwise. And yeah, for the diabetes, my blood sugar was really high. So I was seeing different doctors I was seeing an endocrinologist for the diabetes, a cardiologist because we were watching my blood pressure and my cholesterol. My cholesterol wasn't looking so good, and I didn't know who to see for the antidepressant. I was seeing actually an ENT for sleep, and none of these doctors talked to each other. So there wasn't one person kind of managing my overall health. And actually, I was happy to find Dr. Ilya because he can manage all those symptoms I just said altogether. Like, he has knowledge in so many modalities, whether it's chiropractic, acupuncture, homeopathy, naturopath, applied kinesiology. He just knows all these different components of nutrition. I mean, I've learned so much about nutrition from him that I didn't understand before. I was eating all the wrong things for my body type. So since seeing him, I've actually lost a good 45 pounds at this point, and that's from eating good, healthy food the right way. And my blood sugar is normal now, which is really hard to achieve without medications, according to Western medicine. I was in pharmaceutical sales for 30 years, so I know what their school of thought is. And then the other thing, I'm not on antidepressant anymore. I'm not taking any allergy medications, and wow, thanks Dr. Ilya, I'm not taking the asthma medication. I'm not taking, let's see, what else am I not taking? Well, I don't have to use the sleep apnea machine. I'm not snoring at night anymore. And I don't know what I would have done if I didn't find Dr. Ilya. And he has this way of understanding healthcare way beyond anything I could have imagined before. But I don't know what I would have done if I didn't find him, because I probably would have been diabetic, which these days means it's the same thing as if you've had a heart attack, and that means you're 50% more likely to have a heart attack and die if you've got diabetes. So I've referred 7 friends to him so far. It is thinking outside of the box, but it's a big healing. It's the only way I could see to heal our bodies. The other thing that's changed my life is I've had chronic knee issues where I could barely walk up and down the stairs, chronic back injury I used to play volleyball way back when, and now since I've been seeing him, I haven't had back pain for the first time in 30 years, and my knees are much better. I'm able to go up and down stairs. So I would refer people over and over again to Ilya, and I just thank him greatly for what's happened to my health.